Hello everyone, we are Cyber Spirits here. This is our first video, our new YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the difference between Kali-Linux and Parrot operating system. So let's go to our video. What is Kali-Linux? Kali-Linux, formerly known as Backtrack Linux, is an open-source, Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at advanced penetration testing and security auditing. Kali-Linux contains several hundred tools targeted towards various information security tasks, such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering. Kali-Linux is a multi-platform solution, accessible and freely available to information security professionals. Features of Kali-Linux: more than 600 penetration testing tools included. Free as always will be. Open source Git-free. This means that the source code is available for us. FHS compliant. Wide-ranging wireless device support. What is Parrot OS? Parrot is based on Debian's testing branch with a Linux 5.10 kernel. It follows a rolling release development model. The desktop environments are Mate and KDE, and the default display manager is LightDM. The Parrot has 3 editions. Security Edition, Home Edition. Parrot ARM. Difference between Parrot and Kali. In Kali-Linux there are more than 600 plus pre-built penetration testing tools. No graphical acceleration required. At least 1 GB RAM required. In Parrot OS it does not have more pre-built penetration testing tool as Kali have. It also have no graphical acceleration required. It needs only 320 MB RAM space required. In our coming videos we will be using Kali as our main operating system. And in next video we will show you how to install Kali-Linux in virtual machine. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for the notifications of new incoming videos.